if he primary see by in same ba kumienu pie na Yewura Kennedy ene KSM echo grantee interview bi na o share audio bi a circulate abontia e kamia ye say Kennedy ne loyal to the party no very high o share nipa bi na Kennedy now koto party koto party ni ebedi wechi koto party. And mind you, say the same thing happened to Alan. Alan was thinking, say he has the masses, probably he has the numbers in Tino. Ofi party ni ma sebe or don't be a bedi nechi in Tino, nipa bi betu edi nechi. And Kennedy has been so intelligent in a way, right from time of whom yese baby yedu ano wa considering no my main friend aspirant no na me congratulate you o share the likes of One Brian the champion conversation and no I think say Ghana phobia mo share me couple of videos be na YouTube na o share primary see omo ko here people were saying say honorable Koto party Kennedy Koto party ne bedi wechi Kennedy Koto party sorry, Koto party ni bedi wechi. Now, mind you, say MPP party no. MPP amanyoku no. Enhyehyeye wo party ni mu no. Say o join ni amanyoku no na wote ho. Ekodom amanyoku fufuro ana say wow Koto party are coming back no. It's not easy. Me you sure some more say you more inclined in politics na within MPP, they know what I'm saying. Now, at the DSC primary, I think say, Osha election yomuko here. Delegates, no, they didn't vote on merit, but it was money driven. Obi baby sasebo, na didn't na okasasa. Because during this election, any who nipa bia. Sebe omudi oma package sika to said election time number spending into share votes are Brian Nya and that vote supposed to be on a Kennedy like Kennedy vote and a could deep Brian because on the latter part omo no mu sika no he was thinking sika no mean release it here to the latter part and o share yeah. Some video was circulating and a man for Kennedy. You don't Kennedy banner. It was a call coming through. So people were saying, say, release the money, release the money, release the money. Whilst Bawumia camp, Nene Brian camp, normal releases, you can share 500 Ghana. I say, Binimunya, 1,000 cities, money and wow, munya. The delegates supposed to be ashamed of themselves. Yes. They're supposed to be very ashamed of themselves because it looks like we live in a country whereby enye amanyoku ni ye dom and I say sebi amanyoku na ye dom no e kamia yesi ye nyusu ye nyansa more because onipa no ma 500 Ghana 1,000 Ghana cedis no they amount no mind you say ahina obedi amanasa but onipa no ocho say Mama memra na mi bebie enuma. Say nipa ni yanto amano. I'm not here say me baba here politics. I'm not here say me kasi made na man to my Kennedy. I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that. But it looks like within MPP party no nipa bia o madwen say omo nye ready for power no. Because some are ready for power now. Or share a number of vote cast to create a bar until it looks like Nipa be so and koto aba. That make how tell me. Nipa do na be so and koto aba. It looks clearly say candidates now more presenting no. Still are on the ground and people are not happy. But fine. Yeah, the kind of saying we have nothing to say. So all what we say we will rally behind you if Bawumia is what you want. The initiate Becca. And media kakra medical me catch Yewura Kennedy said achia ne muye se ye wakan kasa bi se wa ma wunua nkwa sorry ana so wa ma obi ankwa wo so nko enti baby edu ha no se amanyoko ne ye pe o ye mpe o grassroots ni say mumia fa ba wumia mra we have no option say everyone supposed to rally behind Bawumia na 2028 and muntimi fa nkoje power no. This is not time for division and to share Kennedy in someone no can he's trying to say no e come here say nipa bebre ka say no Kennedy no vote no Kennedy no vote or say no mama nkasa what if say nke ko other way round what will you say and then am obeka. This is what the grassroots is saying. And mind you, say politics is all about winning or gaining or losing. Because no, he has the conviction. Say if you are saying no, nipa biya. Sometimes you need to cycle yourself. Say if you are saying it's either you lose or you gain. So he losing, he's too like often so in a way of let's say normal because when you say politics and you say ubetimi lose it enti adia media respect Kennedy right from time or consider and speeches or he has been all about positivity so abegina baby ka kire na teacher for nipa omudi na jise monko ya basa me hu bi da and people were speculating, people were just thinking say after see a primary see near my BCC, and after primary see it has been calm. Unti bibi boni bia after this primaries. Unti bibi boni bia. And to me they kakra me to makache NPP party and say this is a time so mumpio Bawumia has been presented to you. American will tell me you have no option. Say a mobile support it. It's if probably some more power in 2028 yeah. Now yes idea won't forget it. Now Kennedy could din komo baby. One yewura KSM. E could din komo bi. Now utie ne komo didi mu a. It looks like within party no. Nipa wabo omo pen. Nipa wabo mama ba parliament. Na fufuo bi odi sika. Na fufuo bi odi pickups cars amom. It looks like during this election primaries, he was thinking said all those people will rally behind him, and those people were kind of I say almost looking back like say why your papa mo be now when he only nipa dani na chia like and ocean the conversation now with any customer it looks like the man is hurt because if you are saying na nipa na make am with me. Yini na nipa say obi aba bisa honorable me ba bi anya scholarship bi na okwa abrochire na mesere so beboa me na onipa ne beboa na sebe ana say enye sa akra na mantembu amote no enam papa yeso ma na timi alobi ama enne nkwala ewo mantemu ebi enye adwuma ebi yede akwan aba mponte na say enne no nipa ni hia momo na mate oye nipa you know sometimes we need to face reality and oshe ya odi a papa ni dia I feel like o deserve it na ade ba ko a me de na oshe Kennedy ne temperament the way okasa na during this primaries watimi carry ne ho a besu abedu na oyade he said I'm not going to betray my political party regardless they didn't vote for me yeah, but he's not going to do that. He will stay in the party, rally behind Bawumia. And mind you, say, if we are to be median comedian me, Mrs. Yuma, Bawumia supposed to let Kennedy be his running mate. But Nipa Bebrisu was perception, say, one year, Kennedy be a problem person because a bedroom maybe one share. When you give respect like commander one na Kennedy and Kennedy try say or be reveal more secrets or like you see that kind of he his temper he's not only predictable because within the party in the mumpono meye we no it drew maybe with him by kasi MPP for you say MPP and people are saying say hey papa idea mo man akwenya idea and then you say about me no on fan you see how people are playing this thing. So niyama be brave. Na me de ade ba kwa manage say within primary see the way our police in the parody or within every polling station, every constituency, like yanti basa bi, yanti so obi akukumbe, obi niyama basa bi. Na I recommend Ghana police and sorry, like the delegates, because during and before primary see yanti be boni biya. 1 or 2 be at the 1 or 2 be no mudi any registering 1-2 people are no mudi registering, but apart from that ya antise mujahwie gubi obi wu anani amabasa bi. So like it was very calm and it was like baby boni BNC. So yadanya me ase enti yanko ne yankoti honorable asem yanko ne yankoti na num asem awdie but like that kind of the person usually can kasa be, but I'm not getting that word. Like yeah, if we as say o the enfan is only oba krate wa for oba bi fi baabi se be kwan bi hu nchen se be oba bi nyese kwan bi hu nchen kra wa for oba bi a woni bi na waboa ne de na simpempen so bi na na oba na dane na chi ache wo ye nipa. How will you feel na more than obi odi ne sika eni monyam cars a wodi aboa nipa waboa munyuma. You see, and such a person no enne enam fufuo bi a onim se sa nkrofo we mre bi ma boa mo pen sa nkrofo mi hiyo mo. And mind you, say nipa bi ebedi na chi stika no ne niema. Could you imagine say within 48 hours no me hu na stika ne nam ya ba wo mi ayere eno kwa ne nka problem nim. Say we all seek for peace, but the way switch is so fast no. So mind you, we are so no yes is true nipa ne jai samai. Certain people are with you for some time. Nka woni fine obi beka so okay see ya wie nka bom no mu hie nti no stika ekoho no se nka nye boni bi ani kwan like nka ne boni kwan bi ya it boni ni so se nka okọ, but it was so quick. The situation is so quick. Now I say I was with you, but me no na ho, but me ni ho. We didn't campaign no that era, and let's try to make some money. And mind you say omo no mu di na chini ni na no me nya sure say omo ni na no after rally na no mo kono bia de nsapan coffee. So Kennedy was not smart enough, because I feel like during that time people were thinking let's try to milk him into omo because on the ground you know adwuma kasa nkoso on a D-Day sika na eso mu release no, they didn't release it. They were thinking so okay mommy entren kakra until we show video na circulating na the ban video be about bontia people. There was a call coming through the phone say oh release the money and say no let me call him before, because the same thing happened last. So politics you know it comes with money. This primaries politics. So people say they will need sika enko politics. It's true. Because it's not easy. Sika. So ye nipa doye a sacrifice. So politics, you know, one thing say the sacrifice is too much from what you gain, because sometimes you need because you need to put smiles on people's faces. Saying honorable ye ba fee because the ba school fees a year be aba. Akwala bi a yagena to hospital esu ukotu yaka into every day piano, like they are stress on the politicians each and every day. So people think they are gaining more what they are. No, they share more what they are expecting. Enti na to ho ache adwuma ene opepa. Enti no Kennedy asem no de okaso wo dwen ho a ensem bebre. Na me no ya na me derade aso se since then no otimi akari ne ho till now. Ewiase nka nipa bia nka obufu ananka wo kan sempa, but also no, for the sake of the party yeni na yanka mom na yemfa odo biakoye yemfa taiba wo miachi ni enhwe what the future holds for. Yes, ya na de bia mo kasa bi se ewiase hunwu ya onimia obenya eno onyankopon o mmere ne namo dasani bia onyankopon o mmere ene na ema odasani bia ewiemu nyo nyame sakrana because ono no otimi sakra wiem abre bia ade a wani nna no ade a wana se wani nna no na won saka enti no o nyame bia emere ene enna ekita no o nyame a emere ne nna ekita no emere ne so a sister eso shebo asem sabeka enti honorable meda utim na omo sawande ono no omo a omo ben no omo ben for baby, but me kase team na se no omo you see, so we share for the past month na the way what carry ne ho no you barely see at first you could see the radical Kennedy, but and then no, even said they are trying to push him to the wall, but he will come with the way let me ignore. So I like the way you are carrying yourself. And me the yana me can say you can say say so koko kra na ebe ma. Into Onyankopon the mre ene na ene ye adwuma. Nti Kennedy honorable achia ne muye. Achia na sa bitterness na ewo mu no ne sa yawo no. Emre will heal it. Time will heal everything, but just that for now, no delegate you so much you see Bawumia. You have no option. And mind yourself, Bawumia so you're a very fantastic man. O share politics o share Osmo Diabeson Bank of Ghana. A nyuma what like a brochure or telling nyuma why yeah. Sabi ne credibility no enye onye nipa hu saa Bawumia enye nipa hu saa na one thing say NDC for no year everything for them to look like some area it go to some time adebia no mo can be in the faces of Ghanaians, you know, was a trash to them because omo yo in a way Ghana for crowd didn't wanted to believe them. And Bawumia is saying, okay, maybe you mate, and I have no control about it. Sometimes it's true. You can be with a driver, whilst driver now will can so much he's rude, he's very arrogant, and now who can be a wintie. And such a person or no high and to walk around no boss be you with it. And now she cares or the more farmer, and I say, boss will even so. Bawumia in a way, no. Sometimes nipa bi can say Bawumia was not in charge of the economy. Sometimes it's true because he has no control over everything. No, won't even be because Oshe, it got to some time he was not talking. Osha, it got to some time and now latter part of 4 months and election or after now I just said only say what party anymore. It got to some time he was not like Onisi. Now to me say what like you could see clearly it was not like Onisi or part in him because Kromfo ya omochi ni ya kana saying finance minister Kromfo yi. So the omo be say o mine pasa. So you go to some time ba omia ne mpo no yema no ya kana hye. Ntimi nkasa, ntimi nya hwe. So Ghana for be kasa okay. Moment for akwenya na mana. It looks sometimes let's give people the benefit of the doubt. And ne crutch some menya sure say ba omia will be someone asebe akwenya no nya, because right now on all angles, all eyes are pointing on ba omia. So okay. And same be our kind some time ago say we ye mate no nti yemfa wo mra no ene ye de akwenya na ma, what are you coming to do? And adia mahama aye ba omia ba, you should be able to meet Mahama standard da. Enye Mahama standard da, you should be able to convince Ghanaians enough Ghana fo benya ogidie. And it's a Ghana ma ogidie sa 4 years no na mind you say and yempese obeza beye omampeni oba for 4 years and once anko biem. Ni nti Ghana fo ma Mahama ba na nye bibia o Ghanaians were yearning for Mahama so monfa ne mra nti wo hwe a you go to some time you saw say Ghana fo ni na obia pese Mahama ba adentia because they feel say papa ni nwumu obeye no wa nwi nti momiensa ankofa ne mra. Enti ba Ghana fo anase MPP fo anya omu kwan enya omu gidie edisa akonya ya hwonsa. Ame ya adom ne ye to aba ne mawa prove to Ghanaians wrong say oh sabi adwuma ne meeting aye but akonya bi na na minya eno nti na na menya de minti minya na anya saa na be san ye tro kan dia. And mind you obekọ 4 years pe omuntu also, because the next candidate na NDC presenting no onye mere candidate be a obetimi overriding sir. And mind you, so they will present a candidate obey cleaner Ghana within MPP NDC no all kind of one some the likes of Asiedu Nketia, Julius Debra. I don't know if Haruna Idrisu will come. I just don't know. But if probably Omo present Asiedu Nketia, what can you say about Asiedu Nketia? Maintain a one assembly, maintain a corruption case, maintain say wakudi sika bi, maintain say aban bi aba me ye hwehwe Asiedu Nketia, maintain say bibi boni bi aba, a scandal thing bi an din count. And I say wakoje government contract bi sikam fa sikam kwa wakodi menti bibia. So when you say within NPP NDC and Ghana for no mpo no yada no enti wan hwe yiye no wan to two nyama yia. So wan hwe yiye no wan to two nyama yia. The overwhelming voter Asiedu Nketia bi wa benya no ebema you be shocked, because one hwe yi a ono no maada and within the grassroots no Ghana ha ni mu no enti Ghana will have the belief in him say mom yen try na nhwe enti no say no onwuma bi ne okasa bi ne niema bi na bema Ghana fo abeji wadi. And their accessibility that accessibility people are saying say you are not much accessible, because when you say politics it comes with this accessibility, because honorable and president and obi about school fees obi about me until you should be accessible nya obi anipa ntimi men. And according to say MPP party ni mu no ya akrachisem eno nenne ama enne party na mu gu ase onye bibia nti eno nenne na ama MPP party ni ejija, because akrachisem ni doso dodo. Nti mo de momie nkwani nkotie honorable na num asem na momie nti asem honorable kan after the primaries the sentiment, the pain, the bitterness, the betrayal, what people like some people he look up to, what they have done. Like say I see me see dear Sanka, I see me see now bentin dear. Me ho kire me said dear na me friend da su mu krampa, wadam po beboa. You know, you nipa bi wa bo mu like omutimi ka say anya wo a ka me ne me mama ni di anya wo a ka hakura me nko ha da anya wo a na sa nipa no betima twa ne ho aba be se wa na kan samoni afa won se wo die usuku nipa boni ni dade e man you say wiase ya hwe nipa a ye bo mo sa nipa no dodo na sori tia yen dodo na obi a wo afa na fi ba bi a sebe oni ne ho na muhwe obi a wama sika dia to aduane ya dida obi a sebe wato atare ya hye no pen no sa nipa no sori tia wa eye nsem bebre enti Kennedy pen na wo komu no it will take time but time will heal him timodi amumi yankoni yankoti honorable yenti nsema woka
anybody again. And I need respect. This year I'll be 64 years. So I will not allow anybody to treat me like I'm trash. That one, I'm sorry. So let them do their own thing. Some are saying go independent. No, I'm not going to go independent.
On say ewiase no se BBC a you say first food is not a food, second food is not a food, a third food. And the more BBC no ema wani da ho more. BB and say ewiase be vigilant. Sometimes as a human being o fa niam tra you nipa bi wo mo ne wo sere o ma wani nko mo because you feel like sometimes nipa ne wo se o mo ben woni na na pe o yi ana enti niam bi si ma wani da ho mo se enye nipa even ehwo ahwo mi ni na happy for me. And mind you say na ni ada ho. And as I was saying nipa e ka say onko like on one quarter the political party. He's saying onko yes sir, the loyalty to the party no. The loyalty to the party no very high. As in onye willing so and the same thing happens to Alan Asama American and no be and see ye Alan. Alan was thinking say domino. And she said ne only MPP party ni ma omobeto man. And see this and no ma we see ye. The same thing happened to Alan Martin. And to ye catch them say party no sa disrespect in our party ni mu. Na ye catch them say disrespect in our party ni mu. And sa obi eboa de na ho odin e de ni nyansa etumi boa party no from 92 till now. And na kwenya aba na ofele se nka moma na kwenya na mo se no enso no so on the say ordinance moma nyankopon but this time around na ni ada ho more na ni ada ho more in a way a onyi ni pan ni biem sempo obeji wadi a na ni beda ho in a way timo amodi amoti wa moka so honorable Koto party no onya sa. See what you say nke ko other way around. Enti no papa na num asem ne nsem bi o kan no. Wa prove it to Ghana for be wrong because after this primaries people were thinking say oh papa nsem bi oba be keka and team na say obodi na chi no I love the way mama na carry ne ho. Because we know Kennedy to be by now utim ayampia and sembia wabeka no nka enye easy right from primaries and how many days in and can sama yatete no but what you know for the sake of the party umay ni na for do emum na 2028 yanko pre power no He's not bigger than the party, he's not bigger than anyone. But say, and then we say delegate, most of what we see Baumia. He has no onishi obeka. Oh, and such a man, no, almost targeting to always to be so be on the omunipa or funny pan or no. We are so sometimes being confident or being when the people are naturally that's how they are. So sometimes you may think say omunipa no. And omina a woman no, oh you be all calm so much they maintain you to be nipa papa. So that's how it is. And you know, also on a political party. He will still be with the MPP till the woman could you.
Because going into that contest, I knew and I said myself that it's 50-50. You can win, you can lose. So if you lose, why would you say that I'm going independent? No, I would not do that to my party.
So he was kind of already a psyching dream. Already he has already sacked his mind. So okay, in contest and be to me see because it's either you win or lose. And this is not the time I never lose me losing to me me party. The loyalty to the party still no you're loyal to the party. Until more and more can say on the party Odamase, but on fanya drama because and yes, and never losing into was or than in a chair party. But the air make us say we are a man na, if we are a mer and na, our home that's any PR. Into the next, some woman for Baumia ma, only if you're Becca, he will rally behind Baumia. And I feel like in life, regardless of anything, we should stay loyal. Yes, in life, we should stay loyal regardless of anything. So even po you nipa bi wo ha, ususu sen kasa asemasi ana obintin, waboa ne pen but wa amwa o. Ene wadani na chi achiro. Sa odo na wo ma ne no, emma sa odo no enfedi. Still have that love, but just that when you better ho kakra. But being loyal to you, it will always be there because I will never be fake to you. Probably I will show you the same love, so I will show you the same loyalty. Though no party in any year, but so better than in a chiama party in the that be. The American would tell me, wakasa ye, yes, wakasa ye. Kennedy are born home more than wakasa ye. May ride from 1 or 2 primaries ye send what carrying the hono. Perfect.
Just that I've learned some lessons that I'm sorry to tell you the truth. I don't trust anybody. You can be anybody. If my will, I don't want to do it. You can't convince me. With the experience I got from this election.
Say disappointment, whenever someone will be losing trust, can say, I don't trust people again. When you start being vigilant or when you start knowing, say, nipa etwa me ho ahia no, sa odo na me wo mo na yes the same energy omo channel to me ema wani beda ho. Ema obehu nipa omo ye real and who are like trying to be like we are seeing nipa hu me culture nipa hu me Canada. You say aboa bi beka wa na efi wontuma ho. Oko to sa bontin so ni di watama ye fie nipa na akoton ama no. Ko no de nko fam ofa ho de ofi asam de oye den beti ofi asam. But abontin so ni efie nipa na akoton ama abontin so ni. To ko to so bi di watama na asem ye fie asam a fie nipa na de wako. Enti n'ani ada hɔ a n'ani ada hɔ for now because nipa nyɛ yɛne wo sere kwa ɛkamea yɛ sɛ yɛne wo ne wɔ hɔ ɛsoso yɛ adwene mu no ɛyɛ biribi a bɔne nko a within primary so people were thinking say I think people amanfo hu ni say okay let's try to make money so within primary so ni sika Kennedy asɛ no enye sika ketewa but this time around nani ada hɔ I'm sure next time obeba no nani beda hɔ for niema nkitinkiti bi ewiase na I always say mistakes are bound to happen and mistakes be ebeba wa kwan mu bia boa ma wo step it to the next way because in life when someone making mistakes that won't mean correct it you are not able to do your corrections and see when nipa bi ana odi o ma bemben for some time nipa bi ana o surround you say nipa no the next contest say nipa no the next life no be hwe hu yie wo mo not necessarily say who yie o ma fi hu ana wo pamo but only o mo daily and now in everything no be hu mo to because enye nipa ye ne osiri ni na na pe oyi edie ta anya sa otimi ne obi di nkomo woni nipa mienu na di nkomo no wa record akogba kire obi until this may show clearly bible cry to me cause emfa hu ntu nipa so no nipa be di hwamo and this shows clearly say Kennedy udo hu tu nipa so na nipa di hwamo because on that primary so no ohwe ne ma course so a anka sebe anka nyese delegate choose sika over you because right from 1992 sika odi aboa party no Ghana for ma bi a course how this NPP for mu NDC for mu Ghana for bi a waye yomadoye enwuma wa bia manipa bi ye bi wo Ghana ha within party no mu omo humwani sika odi aboa party no anka they should anka even any sika mpo na nke so omde to loyalty but abanisa because we live in Africa obibini die odwen na obedi ewu making on that day in the baby school fees on tuaye na duane obedi wo fie mpokura na yeden one ne yere ebuada enti no so obema me 500 Ghana cedis and 1000 Ghana cedis na money anwade a me ba bedi wachi because ni oma me 200 mean me fanya hwe na oma me 1000 na 500 no because on that day no oma amform adwen anto amon chirima because omo dwen sika no ho 1000 cedis 500 Ghana cedis and mind you say sika no from primary in how many days in it what this can be a uni man inside ye kire mo say monwen ochina monwen chirima no ho a ye kan muntie enehwe entino Kennedy why are there the loyalty to the party now wetimi akache Ghana for say no say me na me wi ni ya anka me nya sure say me other side be catch am say no ba o me no vote it mo mai ni na for do emmoa Kennedy but this time around many ada ho this time around also nani aden ada ho ti mo me kongo tie.
So is this generally you don't trust people or you don't trust politicians or just generally you have no trust for anyone at all, period?
I would say politicians. Because you can help somebody to get a position. And when he gets the position, he forgets how he started. And to protect his position, he goes against you. And that is what I learned.
We are human beings. Say and nipa bi hia akwanya bi some time ago. Na utimi se say nipa no ahomeka bi a odi free ne fie ba wo fie anopo tutututu bi. Yo nipa bi ohia o signature bi keke wo paper bi so. Yo nipa bi ohia so bedi nanim akọ ba bi. na enne saa nipa no teni against you ana nipa bi a even kasa no obekasa kyerɛ kwa hia sika na wodi sika taye kyerɛ na enne me hia ona saa nipa no sɛ no sama ankodi asimesi echi na oba the political way ya stake no mind you so oba mpo one na wo oba one na wo mamu mienu mpo no de na obeka fa no also wonyene nni enti yemfa ba wo miamra. So this shows clearly how enti ewiase o wa dwen ho build yourself wan hwe yi a on tokwa bi wo a o ku a wan hwe yi a you create enemies won hwe papa yi bua wa bua ntokwa wa ku ama party odi na ho odi na yesi Kennedy Japan enhwe within the party and they are making a mockery out of him. They are saying say you crowd bro on your presidential material we don't need you but we are crutch near a shena or IMF kokan brofo or IMF ekoka English you see and say we are so ya dear and what you whom you know on tokwabi who ye be a one year or kwa wo kuma nipa ni na ba be dane vain eba be in vain hwe Kwame Nkrumah ade a Kwame Nkrumah ye de ne ho bo ade no de Ghana fo na yi ni mai Ghana fo ya na yi Kwame Nkrumah mai because hwe enti no bibini nye nipa a obetimi do ho ato no so se wo trust no ti woni ni ye bibia na wani ba ko san hwe ho because these people no ese wanu ma na kai ono won kai se mire bi waboa ne panyu ono abo say nipa no the people we were expecting say they will rally behind you and you were thinking say anka this is the time anka uhia ommo no omo nwe mo bi a waboa mo. This shows clearly how ungrateful they are and you know don't expect them say nena uhia ommo and this supposed to go out there say and next who she obi na wo boa na menye wadwen se nipa na wo boa no o boa no so me boa wo onyame kana koma na obeboa fine but o boa no no ammoa wa wo de why wa from there you leave it to God na me kan wutie me se o boa obi na emmoa na wo de boa onipa no say wa boa me pen na me so no enne nyame aboa me nsa ka bi me mmoa wa na me nka wa. Leave it to God. Entino uji nipa di too much enye sa anka El Bernard num ni na anka nye nkrofo bi a na yeso wo entertain wo. Ene hwe how ene hwe asofo mumu na and Ghana asofo de Ghana de bia me ka se dodo na no e kamia yeso mo ma asofo bia yese wan kusku a anaze sebe wan nya dwuma papa bi enyi na obedi sofo da bi anka nye sa anka El Bernard we nya nipa anka yesi mo tolerate no man. See how well, it looks like it is a bonoa the life na you say a bonoa because how you are so much assured say onyankopon sakra na adwen o onyame onsesanda. If truly this prophecy was meant for Kennedy, truly it will come true. Now then and mama software mama manimu nyamo Christo sumna tofom because of adentia. Nti ya da ho kra so ukoji sika bi because the way you are saying prophecy and the way I know what channel the prophecy to no it looks clearly say sika bi na wonsa kan dia ye nim. So Ghana asofo mumma mani na ho politics na ye kan politics no moye Ghana for so being involved in politics no be nka say e bone but ade onyankopon kan no mumma onyankopon me yeketiwa like I say the way am limiting nyame too much no onyame no musisi na twetwe I say onyame no ka bia o kan na ochina no wasansesa na adwen o kan na into so for bit me beka say yesterday there was a change in the realms of the spirit but Charlie, you guys are funny. Nyame na amosum no it looks like what funny say nyame no ye some teddy bear be an answer onyame ye a chameleon or ten at any time. Onyankopon on sakrada or can asema, Onasem bia ye no kware. Onyame nye enne o ye say onyamutru mujo nyankopon. Tenne de un se ne honorable ne wani ya da ho. Ewi ase bibin to da. Bibin si da. You may think si nipa ni na do. To say bibi kakra be for wani ase no, you honorable how people are. Timu mi ngo ti honorable asem.
From a, you see, some people say, oh, he's bitter. I'm not bitter. I have a lot of money to spend for myself. It's not every MP who didn't vote for me that I'm angry at. No. Everybody has a choice. But the very people who were my friends that I have helped to bring them to parliament, it's not a betrayal, but the things, the bad things they said about me, that is where I have a problem. So who says I'm not bitter? I'm bitter. I'm bitter not because Vice President won. I'm bitter because the people that I have helped, if you are not going to vote for me, no problem. But the insults, I can't forgive them.
Well. Now, these very people, were they people who had assured you privately that they are going to vote for you? Or they didn't?
No. I didn't need any assurance. Like I said, you know, if you support Dr. Bawumia, it's your choice. I don't have a problem if you don't insult me. Again, anybody that I have not helped, and through his own efforts, he came to parliament. If he even insults me, I don't have a problem. But I have a problem with people that I helped. Some of them became ministers.
Kennedy asema okay the esrio. Utie ne nkomodidi ma it looks clearly say say nyo no krampo na ebo a wo ma wo ba parliament a. So who did na tema nka ono nka ha no. Ko ni problem with that. But nipa bi ono di ne sika na ho odin ne cars ne integrity to for ma sa nipa no. Sa nipa no na edi na tema na sa nipa no na asa e ka ne ho asemone e ha no. And honorable, I think so be Christo need ya media minim how o Christo so mtie. Menya wadwen se nipa ni na do. Ene menya wadwen se nipa a wabo mu ni na Bible mu okwatafo na Yakopon sa omo leprosy fo no. When nipa ba ko na san ba back, enkro na aka no, enkro na aka na ama back. Ba ko ne bae. And sometimes papa ya ye mwa ye bo nipa. Not necessarily see a boy be so me boy back. Fine. Uyo obi adoye no nipa ne be boy back a good a fair like say when ya san kai na say ase me see aboa me pen obenti aboa me pen. Enya wu anka me nya pure water kra anom that dey nka me wu enya wu anka me nya koko anom enya wu anka me nya you see unya san kai no na o return sa enkai na a plus. But so bu obi na wa moa wa na se nipa na nkai wa you leave it to God. Papa ya ye onyame ne ye ma no. Na ohun se obi a waye ne papa kresan edi watam da ohun da. Ohun obi a wacha na de ama onipa ne san kra ka so ade a odi a chem kra nya papa. Otimi san ko otimi ko gina ba bi ka so ade a odi ama me kra na sa ade we kra nya fake o nya papa o. Ana ade we ko kra. People will always be people like Charlie, nipa ye nipa. And when you say you will be maimu, a baby fool be brina ye bonia ye, you ungrateful. And to Bobby no and Kaiwa. You let it go. That's his life. Life goes on. And to me, go to your honorable.
Some of them became MPs.
Through your efforts.
Yes. And they were the people who were making derogatory statements about me. That is very difficult to forgive.
And knowing
why is it that it is easy to forgive everybody who supported Allah? They are sidelined them. And when it comes to me, you say forgive. They will pretend that I will not pretend. That's the problem. I will not pretend. I will let you know that I didn't appreciate what you did.
And my next question was going to be, knowing that you don't like pretending, these people that you said you expected better from them, but not only did they betray you, but they actually said derogatory things about you.
Exactly.
Have you confronted them and told them?
If you make a mistake and approach me, I'll give it to you well. You see, people say, oh, the guy is rude, this guy. You see, such people, the mere fact that they get the courage to come to you means at the back of your mind, you are stupid.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are stupid. And
It's
I'll
true.
prove to you that I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not. They can say whatever they want to say. It's me. At the end of the day, it's Kennedy Japan. If I die today, they will replace me. So I'll tell you my peace of mind so that you stay where you are. That's it.
MPP for so and if I want down no faculty party Kennedy oh yeah wa body no wa pantan achia when him den say the iron world esafa and she be back can was some e be go sorry ba uni na ba so for atuaba wo kwasi animu e dia na ne kwakwa nan e de ya asofo wa no achia na wa sese osikania
Everybody who supported
The moment here.
they are sidelined them.
Or the moment here. Or say saying.
And when it comes to me, you say forgive. They will pretend that I will not pretend. That's the problem. I will not pretend. I will let you know that I didn't appreciate what you did.
And my next question was going to be, knowing that you don't like pretending, these people that you said you expected better from them, but not only did they betray you, but they actually said derogatory things about you.
Exactly.
Have you confronted them and told them?
If you make a mistake and approach me, I'll give it to you well. You see, people say, oh, the guy is rude, this guy. You see, such people, the mere fact that they get the courage to come to you means at the back of your mind, you are stupid. You are stupid. And I'll prove to you that I'm not. I'm not. They can say whatever they want to say. It's me. At the end of the day, it's Kennedy Japan. If I die today, they will replace me. So I'll tell you my peace of mind so that you stay where you are. That's it.
Who made the MPP for so and if I want down no faculty party Kennedy oh yeah wa body no wa pantan achia when him den say the iron world esafa and she be back can was some e be go sorry ba uni na ba so for antoaba wo kwasi animu e dia na ne kwakwa nan e de ya asofo wa no achia na wa sese osikania address self ni
Ghana for Miss Ramo Mfanchame. Audio yeah, boy, Miss Ramo Mfanchame. I intentionally play this audio because now me pese Ghana for bit how after this primaries, if we are Schwarzenegger, me name how far Baumia come Sebe Unipa or I just don't know, but I think say from Baumia camp no Onipa bia or share chira. If we are Schwarzenegger, did attempt say, Mr. Remo say, woman in easy fire. Because baby a party ne do no, by now no, we here focus. And yet did the attempt aboa kwasiya Jimmy Ford no. Party no delegate ye Baumia. So right now we here focus than anything. So that kind of Kennedy did the attempt no, Mr. Remo muma tunka. Anya sa part no don't forget it. Maybe I can cram it to my catcher because it looks like if you are Schwarzenegger, you will be a mine no ya so for so long. Odi impenifu atem, odi o mine impenifu atem presidency nipa kesi and it looks like obia money so. It looks like obia money so. enti onipa bia wo share kire wo ba omia kampa mu fi wo efu Schwarzenegger ma na didi saa mpanyifo atem no ama mu mpanyifo nipa titiriw Kennedy Japan ka ho no mesrɛ mo mo man seize fire anya saa 2028 election mo forget it because Sir Kennedy camp so switch na ade no koye pepa e be different baby a o man na dru no baby MPP party na dru no e you focus na mo hia. You don't give chance, you don't give attention to this. Muhia pai muhia focus. Nti me sheda na me bo audio. Nti mu de muntie, ma sheda na me bo.
Sikani anani ncheye, sikani kurasini, ayo apantan. Wabo de sawusora wunshebi, kwasi elimu, na wujini. Take Bawumia out of your mouth. Bawumia never lose election. Anyhow, Kennedy to be back or more lose election. Now we even more free. So one call no more, no one like Chibina, but down for no one say over. Maybe I'm not set at ya. President man and the shirt you say. Kennedy Japan, Massa, Judge Chibino, Kennedy. Bawumia is not the president of Ghana. Leave him alone. Idea how I will mind you. I am Mahmoud Bawumia Kennedy. Go and sit down with your mental deficiency.
Nti no Ghana for ne kokosi ye no Efia Schwarzenegger. Efia Schwarzenegger nsem a otutu ma jobs otutu ma Kennedy no. Me de kakra metima ka say 2028. You don't need these distractions because at the end of the day, such people na mu tolerate wo mu ni se san krofo na ama party no eni monyam ene obo MPP party na enya akono biemu president J Akufo MPP na enya no ne yehunu eni monyam no eda form do mesremo ye de mu besia